She's about to kill us.
I feel like I'm already ready to give up.
And I'm like, huh? I just want to dedicate this raw set to everyone preying on my downfall.
Brush the backs of the rearmost teeth using the same circular motion.
Get y'all situated. Just kind of winding down for the evening, which is why I have my bonnet on. So I did refresh my hair so I can try to film tomorrow, but let me tell you all why we're back in braces. So those of you who have been following me for a while probably remember when I kind of started getting a rhythm with my channel that I had braces, and not too long after I started my channel I actually got my braces taken off, and you know what I'm saying, we've been on a straight teeth journey ever since. But long story short, I lost my retainer and my teeth started to shift. And you know what I'm saying, if you knew me before I had braces, like my teeth post shifting after I lost my retainer weren't bad, not even half as bad. But I go to my dentist for my cleaning and she's like, have you been wearing your retainer? And I'm like, no, I lost it, blah, 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 blah. She's like, you need to do something because your teeth can shift all the way back. And I'm like, huh? Me being ignorant, I thought that my teeth had shifted as far as they were going to shift. I was fine with a little bit of spacing as long as I didn't go back to my thumb sucking teeth. Yes, I used to suck my thumb as a child. Very ungood situation. So she's like, girl, yes, your teeth can shift back. Needless to say, after that conversation, I called my orthodontist the next damn day. So yes, I am grateful to have a black woman dentist and a black woman orthodontist that is going to keep it real with me so that way I don't play myself out in these dental streets, okay? So an attempt to fine tune the spacing that has occurred in the last year or so since I've lost my retainer, I'm back in braces. To be frank, I am not at all excited about this journey. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm excited about, you know, having my $1 million smile again, but braces hurt. Braces are just bulky and uncomfortable and painful. Call a spade a spade. It's been brought to my attention that I kind of overpronounce words, and I can see that because I already tried to be extra clear in my pronunciation because of my accent, and braces just makes it worse. Like I said, I am winding down for the evening. I have already taken my extra strength rapid release Tylenol for the impending pain and discomfort that is to come from these braces, and you know, we're gonna see how things are gonna go. So far, I absolutely have some regrets about getting braces again, but you know what I'm saying, got to see it through, my boy. I am about to turn in and get some rest so that way I can try to film a couple of videos. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.
The next day.
And now Uzi that doozy. Shot, shot, shot. No, nobody's perfect, so I'll let you be. Before I start filming this video, I just want to dedicate this raw set to everyone preying on my downfall. Hello. This one's for you, babe. Honey, this is cute. Let me put on my gloss before my eye starts running again and get these videos recorded because whew.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm done. My battery died, but I'll have everything linked down below. Good night, y'all.
Been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, that's so serious.
I feel so rude. By the time you all see this, it'll definitely be the new year. So happy new year, everybody. I hope you all have a prosperous, joyous, just thriving 2023. My lips are so dry. This is the Fenty Ice Gloss that I was telling you all about in my most recent haul. I'll make sure I leave that linked in the cards. But we are about to go run some errands. I have a few things that I need to do today. I have an Amazon return in my back seat that I need to drop off at UPS. I need to get my nails done, and I also want to start looking around the furniture stores that we have here, so that way I can try to get some inspiration. For now, I'm headed to UPS for this Amazon return, so enjoy the karaoke.
I suggest you don't fuck with my sis. Cozy, cozy, comfortable in my skin. Cozy with who I am. Been thick, been fine, still a 10, still here. That's all me.
Just kidding. UPS is still closed for the holiday. I guess we'll just go ahead and go to the furniture store to try to kill some time. Anyway, that done got on my nerves. So I guess with the holidays falling on weekends this year, but being observed during the week, that has just kind of thrown me off. Like, I'm expecting to be able to walk into UPS and they ain't open yet. I just have to do that tomorrow. So let's just go into this furniture store and hope for the best. I know I'm not seeing a lot of like bedroom stuff. This is giving living room, which is making me very upset. Get some footages before people start bothering me. They're expensive as hell in here, I know that. They need to mark this down. Something about a bedroom set like this just reminds me of my grandparents. God rest their soul.
It could have been right there, I was wrong. Only think about you and make it home. Part of me that can't see this gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, we dream about, I think about what.
It just seems like it's super small and like it's not going to give me a lot of space for my things. Okay, this might be okay. I kind of do want an upholstered situation, but my concern is I'm a child and I have a dog. Sure, your dog is housebroken and trained and all of that, but like accidents still happen. Also trying to like avoid salespeople because I just like to look by myself and then I can come get you when I'm ready. This one, I just feel like this is obnoxious. Like that's too big. I look a mess. So, you know what I'm saying? What? People really be trying to in parking lots, and I don't understand. Y'all be driving like y'all don't value nothing. Insurance is high. So I'm trying to find my bed and then build my room piece by piece after that. And I just don't feel like the universe is allowing that to happen. Watch my black ass find a lamp or a nightstand or some shit and then have to build my room around that instead of what I feel like is in order. I feel like I'm already ready to give up because why is this so labor intensive? Why do I have to like work so hard and then I gotta make decisions too just to spend my money? It doesn't seem fair. Dang, y'all don't have to work today? So now I'm just gonna head to my nail appointment so I can hurry and get that over with because I can't be the only person that feels this way, but like getting your nails done is not relaxing or like soothing or fun. It's just something that I just have to do so that way I can look a certain way, but like I don't enjoy getting my nails done. Am I the only person that feels like that? Like, do you enjoy getting your nails done? Is that just a me thing? Totally possible. I'm okay with having an unpopular opinion, obviously.
Money, not a lot of patience. Whole lot of niggas been waiting. Only a real one can tame it. I gotta cool it on. Tip on hardwood floors. Tin across the floor. Nipples on my hips, stretch marks on my tits. Monday I'm overrated, Tuesday on my dick. Johnny made my dress that cheap spandex. She looks a mess.
I have no idea what color I'm going to get. So here's the before. And I'll show you all the after when I get out. Whew, just got out of the shower. It is about bedtime. You know what I'm saying? It's time to go night-night. But I did want to show you all my nails before I turn in for the evening. Here they are. It's like a midnight blue. It does have a glittery, shimmery finish, but it's very subtle. Right up my alley. But, you know, something different. Something I haven't tried before. A little razzle dazzle. But I'm going to bed. Good night. Forgive the quality. I forgot my vlogging camera, so I'm vlogging with my phone. So now I'm headed out to meet up with my younger sister. You all probably don't know that I have a younger sister, but I do. And I'm giving her driving lessons, which is a true test of my patience. It's stressful. It's a lot to do all at one time. And she is an absent-minded teenager. There's always a lot going on, especially in the city. It's actually rush hour, which I did intentionally because I'm trying to get her to understand how absent-minded she really is, so that way I can get her to be more vigilant and look and pay attention to not only what she's doing but what other people are doing while she's driving. So I'm headed up to meet with her so we can get these driving lessons in. Jesus Christ, we're in the road now. We're on the road now. She don't care about my life.
I care.
She don't. Do you want to say hi to the people?
Hello to the people.
This is my sister Monet, everyone. And she's about to kill us. All right. Are you going down here? Yeah. To turn? Yeah. Okay. And what are you doing at red light?
You stop.
Okay. You can make a right on red.
I'm gonna make this turn.
You can if it's clear. Is it clear? Have you looked?
I'm looking right now. I'm inching. I am inching.
Okay.
Okay, I inched. I'm turning.
Yes. Turn the steering wheel.
I'm turning it.
Okay.
It's been turned.
I probably should teach you how to parallel park too. I just don't know if I have the patience for that.
You can do whatever you got pictures.
I mean, and I know you don't. It's not part of the test anymore anyway.
It's not. But I'll make
Still,
it.
you should still know how to. It's still a skill.
I can make it up as I go, right?
What?
Parallel park.
Make it up as you go.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Right. I figured out just inching. Right? Inching.
That's an idea, but there's also like a geometric aspect to it. Alright. Y'all crazy. What's this lady? She don't look enough for me. She don't look enough for me. You think you be looking. She don't look enough for me. So be so aware of traffic, slow traffic, cameras, police officers. Stay in your lane, please. Hey, you looked. Thank you, Jesus. No, I don't want you to kill us. But that don't mean that that's not what you finna do. You got the right away. Cause you slow.
I'm going.
Why'd they go? I would've went too. Stay in your lane, please. Oh, Baltimore Street. Love my city. So which way do you want the rear of the car to go?
That way.
Very good. So which way you gonna turn the car?
That way.
Yes.
So should I start backing out? I back out first, then I turn. And then
Yes, because you want to make sure, especially if you got cars beside you, you want to make sure you can clear those. You don't want to reverse and then back into somebody.
Right.
And you can start turning the steering wheel now. As long as you're making sure the front of the car is going to clear. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm,
it doesn't hit anybody. Not just the lines, but if there was a car there.
Right.
So cut the wheel hard and straighten yourself back out. Yep. But we're sitting in the middle of the road now. Honk, honk. Somebody's coming. Oh my God, you blocking the road. What about traffic? Get the fuck out the way. This is real life experiences. I like that you're using your mirrors. Very good. You should listen. This is driving 101. You've done it before, so you can do it. You're capable.
One eternity later.
Is this it? We done?
I guess. I'm just gonna call it it.
So you quitting?
No, I'm gonna call this it.
Okay.
I might be a little crooked.
Oh yeah, you might be. Okay.
I know the car's leaning that way.
Okay.
I don't know.
What do you think? Do you think you did? Do you think you're successfully parked in this parking space?
I see a line.
Okay.
I'm a little crooked.
As per usual.
The next day.
I am about to head to Trader Joe's and the post office. Yeah, let me put a coat on. Alright folks, so we are headed to the post office and to the grocery store. I just realized I left the box in the damn house. Hold please. Okay, now we have the box. I'm sending this stuff to Sheree so she can send me some more body butter. Thank you so much. I was gonna go to the post office first, but I don't really need to see like an actual postal worker. I can just go to the kiosk like any fully committed introvert would do. I have really got to dial it back with all of the eating out that I've been doing lately. So I have some stuff that is new that I want to try, and I also want to re-up on some of my faves because we on that you got food in the house energy all 2023. So we just got to Trader Joe's and let's go Ayana fix my life because girl. That was chaotic as hell. So the grocery store was mostly a success. I got most of the stuff on my list. Alright, let's go to the post office. Alright. It's handled. Olivia Pope. Listen, I don't even want to talk about how much it costs to mail nothing. Because postage is $1 million. And now I done got an attitude. Let me go in the house and put my damn groceries away. We are back home. So I guess we're going to do a little quick grocery haul. Some of it you already saw, but once it got too chaotic, I couldn't show y'all no more. Okay? So first up, because we love to waste money, spring mix. 2 boxes of cookie butter cookies because my period's coming. So yes, roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. Cacio e pepe. Delicious. Quick. Get you some. Some frozen shrimp. Juice. I got the pineapple one and I got the strawberry one. I got some green juice because we love green juice here. Because I swear up and down that I can recreate some kava at home and save me a little bit of money, I got me some tzatziki and some feta cheese. So child, we'll see. And last but not least, because I have been hearing rave reviews about this, I picked up the vegan caramelized onion dip. So that is all that I picked up from Trader Joe's. So I'm going to go ahead and close out today's vlog here. You all be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. And on your way to watching another video of mine, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Love y'all. Mean it. Bye.